Hi everybody and welcome to my video today, you guys. This week I'm wrapping up the Just Because series with Chris. We have two final projects. I'm going to show you this one and the next one I'm going to share with you on Wednesday. Both of these projects that I'm going to be showing you this week, I'm not actually putting together. You'll understand why for both of these, but I'm going to show you how they look, and then there will be directions on my website as always for these. And then you guys, just as a quick reminder, we have the retiring list that's coming up for Stampin' Up. So that means everything out of the annual catalog that is retiring and going away and that will no longer be available is coming out today. I'm sending an email out to all of the people who have signed up to get my email. That will be going out to you guys. If you want anything from this list, I really suggest getting in an order right away so that you don't miss out. And then just as a reminder, I have a really fun package I'm sending out for everybody who places an order with me this month, $50 or more, and I will send you a package of goodies. It's going to look like this. It's going to have a roll of ribbon in it, and then it's going to have 3 card kits, and I will link the video that shows you how to put these card kits together right up here so that you will see that. So just as a quick reminder, that is what is happening. I am so excited because as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I get to see the brand new annual Stampin' Up! Catalog today, and I am counting down the minutes until I can see it. So let's dive in, and I want to show you the project that Chris made. This was so fun. So this is a little box, and the box was an afterthought. So originally when the project was designed, she wasn't thinking about putting it in a box, but then she ended up creating a box for it. So it uses this great paper out of the Occasions catalog. This paper is foiled and it looks really, really pretty, you guys. Has all of that detail on it. So this is a box that it's going to open up like this. So she has this layered on top and it says hello. And I will put the stamp set that is from right on the bottom of the screen for you guys. And then this is some of that celebration ribbon. So this ribbon right here is that shimmery, sparkly ribbon that is the celebration ribbon that is now no longer available. But you can get a roll of that from me this month when you place your order. So then this box opens up like this. And inside, so she has some more of that layered paper, and then inside is this. And this is the project for today, you guys. It's so gorgeous, and it's layered, so it has some depth to it, and you turn it over, and there's a pin on it, and so you can wear this as a pin. So let me show you how we're gonna put this project together. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be using some product that is really fun, and it is this embossing. With the embossing paste, when you purchase that, you're going to want to purchase these tools that go with it. So these are little spatulas. So let's open this up and I'll show you. So the one that she used is the silver. So we have this plain white. So we have the white embossing. So let me show you a project that I did with this white embossing paste. What I did is I put this on transparencies, so it has a little bit of depth to it because it's that paste that is not going to be flat, but it's going to be textured. And I just put that onto a transparency or a window sheet, some acetate, and I got these great 3x4 cards, and I use these in my project life. So there's the white embossing paste. We have shimmery white embossing paste, so you can see it gives a little bit of a shimmer. And then the embossing paste that she used is this silver. So when you get it, it looks like this, and you'll just want to stir it up. And then the edges, if you get any of this, sometimes you'll get a little bit of this ickiness that is from the edges, especially once you start using it. It might build up and dry out a little bit on the top, so just pull that out of your paste. And then you can see it's this type of paste, and you'll use it with a stencil. So let's look at the stencil, and then it washes right off. So whenever you're done with it, you'll just want to wipe off your spatula and then rinse it off with water. So it's a really great product to have. It's really easy to use, and it's really not that messy. So I also, like I said, I have the spatulas that you can get, and then I have all 3 colors because it is a fun product. So that's the embossing paste, and then what you will use to complete the project will be stencils. So that's how I did on the acetate, is I just used a stencil, and there's this one right here that she has used. You can see that she's used the rose. So let's just, I want to give you an idea of how it looks so that you have a better idea. So what you'll do is you just lay your stencil down. You can use some washi tape. I have so much washi tape laying around. I don't mind using that. You can use blue painter's tape or Post-it notes if you have that laying around. But you're going to want something that is going to keep that stencil flat. And you can do this with any stencil. So you can do it with, you know, I have some polka dot stencils, anything that is going to be a stencil like this. So what you'll do is, let's use the silver because that's going to show up really pretty on this black cardstock. So you'll just take some of that embossing paste. That's probably a little too much. You put it down on the stencil, and then you just rub that across it. And once you're done doing that, now this does take a little bit of time to dry. That's why we're not doing the full project on camera today. So then you have your image. So I wasn't exactly perfectly careful. I could have done that a little bit thicker. The thicker you do it, I think the better it's gonna come out. And then you can see this is on black, so I actually really love the way that looks. What Chris did is she did this on some, let's see, this is Berry Burst cardstock. And she just cut out different layers of the rose, and then she used some foam tape to then pop it up to give this some depth. And then right here in the middle, she used one of our faceted gems, and that already has adhesive on it, so it just went right into the middle here. So here are the layers that you would do. So you'll just do it 3 times. You'll use that embossing paste 3 times, and then you will cut out the layers, and then you'll layer these up. So let me show you a couple other products that you can use to really make this dazzle. So if you look really close, maybe the camera will pick it up. There is some sparkle in this paste. So now the silver is a little metallic. It's not shimmery, it's not glittery, there's no glitter in it, but it does have this like shine, so it's a little bit metallic-y. And then the white, so this white paste, the plain white or the shimmery white, you can mix your re-inkers into this and get any color paste you want. So you just take a little drop of your ink, you would mix it probably in something separate. You wouldn't want to do it in this container, but then you could get any color you wanted. The other thing that you can do is you can add a little bit of Perfect Pearls. So this will give it a shimmery, metallic type look. You could mix glitter with it. So if you had just glitter on hand, you could mix it into any of these. What I've done with this one right here, so we layered it up and we let it dry. And then I have these products right here. This is glitter dust, and there's one that is a clear, a silver, and a gold that I have. You can pick this up at Joann's. You can pick it up at Amazon. And I sprayed the silver over the top of this set right here. And then that way I have a little bit of a shimmer to it. So again, then there's the box, and the pen goes right in the box. and it closes up. I don't have instructions for the box because it was an afterthought. It was really like a last minute. She created the box and then said, oh, look at how cute this would be to just set inside the box. But I will put her instructions on my website for the pen. The back of the pen, you can get at Walmart and like the jewelry making section or Amazon or Joann's. It's just a little pen back, and then you would just put that right on the back of the paper right here to make a pin. So I love the way this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. There's photos on my website along with Chris's instructions, and make sure you come back on Wednesday to see the very last project for the Just Because series with Chris. And then make sure that you are checking that retiring list today to see what is coming out and getting your orders in if there's anything that you want on that list. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll be back on Wednesday to chat with you again. You guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.